Hi everyone. First of all the best for your examination. And this training video is actually being created to let you go through the platform. And also we are actually migrating from the initial platform to the newer one. So initially we were having some of the dependency on the Java platform and on the browser terms. Now we have actually moved on. So the latest platform that we are going to show you right now will be working on the latest browser of Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. So Internet Explorer or any other browser would not be supported. Only Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are the browser which would be supported, and we will recommend to have the latest version of these browsers. Now, let's say once you have logged into your account and you have clicked on the Start Test button, this would be the first page that you can see on your dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do is you'll have to click on Launch Test tab. Once you click on Launch Test, it will run a dry check on your system to check whether the hardware requirements and the application settings are up to mark. Now, for this newer version, you'll have to install one small add-on. For that, you just need to click over here. Let's say if you come across any problem, and so this would be the error message that might be displayed on your screen. So you can simply copy the link from here. Once you have copied it, you can just go back to the browser, open a new tab and paste over here. It will route you to the extension downloading page, and you can simply click on Add to Chrome, and you can click on Add Extension. So once the extension is added, it will give you the confirmation message. Also, to make sure that the extension actually runs in the incognito or the private browsing mode, you can go into the settings, and in settings you can look for the extension that you have actually installed right away. So this is the extension that we are looking for, Metal Test. So you just need to click over here that says allow in incognito mode also. So it will be allowed in private browsing mode as well as in the normal browsing mode. So once you have done it, you can simply refresh this page. It will check the browser settings and it will give you this pop-up that will ask your permission to share the screen, which you'll have to permit to this application. In case you click on cancel, the test will be terminated then and there. So you need to click on share. It will ask you to allow or give permission to audio and microphones. You can simply click on proceed over here. Now it will load the test, and while loading the test, again a dry check will run on your system just to check everything is fine and intact, also with some of the instruction sets that you are not supposed to refresh while initializing the window. Also make sure all the backend application which are like some of the applications like torrent, any antivirus, any Dropbox, or any of the application which may generate any kind of notification or pop-up on the screen while giving up the assessment should be disabled. So just to confirm you on the same, any or every notification is counted at a blur count, which may end up to the termination of your examination. So we will again request you to make sure before starting the assessment you have actually disabled all the antivirus, all the application that may create notifications. However, once you are done with the examination, you can go ahead and activate all the applications over there. Then you can simply click on next. It will give you the instructions related to the assessment. Make sure you read it carefully. Once you have gone through the instructions, you can simply click on proceed. It will ask you to enter all the required details, and the mandatory details will be highlighted in red asterisk marks. So you just need to provide your email address. As of now, I'm just providing a demo mail address over here. Again, I'm providing my demo name. Last name is not required, so I'll just keep it as it is, and date of birth. I can simply click on next. It will ask me to provide my snapshot. I just need to capture over here. Click on next. Now I just need to capture my ID card. So I need to make sure that the ID card is very clear and it's actually clear enough for the proctor to read the details. And so when I'm sure that it is clear enough, I can click on capture now. I'll have the review screen on the top, so I can just review it, and if you feel like if it's not the clear one, you can click on recapture or you can click on submit. So it will submit your details, and once the details are successfully submitted, you will get an option to start the test. You can simply click on start test over here, and you will see the first question on your screen. Now you just need to click on the appropriate responses. To go on the next question, you can click over here. To come back on the previous question, you can click on the previous question tab. Also, let's say if you want to mark any question to be revisited after you are done with your entire assessment, you can mark it from here. It will be highlighted on the top right corner. So all the questions which have been attempted and responses are provided are marked in green. Rest will be grayed out, and all the questions which you have marked to be revisited will be in orange color. Let's say if you just want to go back to the questions which you have marked as revisit. So as of now I'm on 9th question, and if I just want to go on to the revisit question, you just need to click over here. Automatically you will be routed to that particular question. Okay, so you just need to answer all the questions over here. Let's say if the revisited question has been answered, you can simply click on revisit again, and it will unmark that particular question. Now from here you can switch between the sections. If you want to read the test instructions again, you can click or hover on this I tab. It will give you the test instructions again. Then click on OK. Once you are done with your entire assessment and you are satisfied with all the that your all responses has been provided and you are good to submit the assessment, you can simply click on Finish Test tab. It will give you a confirmation window that will provide you the information that there were total of 10 questions, out of which 2 have been answered, 8 are not answered. If you think that you are done with the assessment and you are good to go, you can click on Finish Test, or you can click on Cancel. Go back to the unattempted questions over there. So you just need to click here, and you can go back to the questions and attempt the rest of the questions. Once you have attempted all the questions and you are you are confirmed that now you can finish the test, you can click on Finish Test again and click on Yes, Finish Test. Now this red bar will actually indicate that we are actually finishing your test. You'll have to wait, and again you'll have to wait for a couple of seconds again. Once you are done with the assessment, automatically the test window will be disabled, and now you can close your window. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time and patience, and thanks for watching this video.